A cooperative in Iloilo gives a cash incentive to farmers based on the number of sacks of rice they harvest. The first qualifying harvest earns 1,000 pesos, and each succeeding qualifying harvest earns 150 pesos more than the previous one. If a farmer wants to know the total incentive from the first to the fifth qualifying harvest, how much incentive will the farmer receive? Let's identify the given in the problem. First is 1,000 pesos. That's the first term of our sequence. And then each succeeding qualifying harvest earns 150 more. So that will be our common difference. And what is asked? Total from the first to the fifth. So that is S sub 5. So the sum of the first five terms of our arithmetic sequence. So for our formula, S sub n equals n over 2 times 2a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So this is the formula that we're going to use. Okay, so S sub 5, that will give you n. Our n here is 5, since that is S sub 5. So 5 over 2 times 2 times the first term, 1,000, plus n is 5 minus 1 times the common difference, which is 150. So 5 over 2 times 2 times 1,000 is 2,000, plus 5 minus 1 is 4 times 150, that's 600. So that is 5 halves of 2,600. Can cancel 2, that will give us 1,300. 5 times 1,300 is 6,500. So the answer here is 6,500 pesos. Let's verify using addition. So our first term is going to be 1,000. Our second term is 150 more, 150. A sub 3 is 1,300. A sub 4 is 1,450. And A sub 5 is 1,600. If we will add them all, 0, 10, carry 1, 15, carry 1, 6. So still 6,500. Of course, it's just easy to verify because we only have 5 terms. And this formula will really be helpful if we have bigger n. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!